Awatech is proud to introduce revolutionary and innovative product AWA BioCell that can increase capacity and enhance performance of wastewater treatment plants cost-effectively under brownfields or greenfield projects. In a suspended growth activated sludge process, the conditions are not adequate for nitrogen or phosphorus removal. Hence, NGT norms are not met without these biological nutrient removal. Thus, Awatech took a closer look at how to increase the wastewater treatment capacity of ASP with the help of IFAS, Integrated Fixed-film Activated Sludge technology. IFAS describes the combination of a film media attached growth system with ASP, suspended growth system, to form hybrid process. Fixed film media can either be added to the aeration tank basin as free-floating chips or in the form of retrievable film media cage units. Awatech has chosen and developed retrievable fixed structured cage media. For both cases, the film media fulfills the same purpose to provide additional surface area within the aeration tank basin. The available surface area is increased more than 200 times in both the cases. After erection of fixed film cages, microorganisms start to colonize on the film media surface with the inflow of wastewater. As microorganisms on the biofilm start to break down organic matter, as well as oxidize ammonia to nitrates, there is BOD, COD and biological nutrient removal. Compared to a conventional activated sludge process system, the mixed liquor suspended solids can be increased from 3,500 mg per liter to 6,500 mg per liter. Our fully submerged system increases treatment capacity up to 50% by adding the biomass inventory. Of course, with increased BOD removal, scouring oxygen is required as well. So the fixed biofilm cage units are equipped with special type of diffusers for scouring oxygen supply. The unique design of our system combines aeration, proprietary distribution media and vertical flow media to create an airlift pumping mechanism that not only provides sufficient substrate and oxygen to the bacteria in the biofilm of fixed film cage media, but also maintains a thin film thickness of the biofilm. Furthermore, our cage system has some special advantages compared to the conventional activated sludge process. The attached biofilm on the cage media surface is less sensitive for influent peaks or parameters, or interruption of oxygen supply, which makes our AWA BioCell hybrid system more reliable and comparably easy to operate. As our AWA BioCell fixed film cage system is stationary, it is cost-effective and there are significant operational energy savings.